Alright guys, welcome back, and let me just walk through what we have been doing so far. So the first thing we did is pretty much we created the settings for the program. And the second thing we did is pretty much declaring our variables. And then we've created the frames because we want everything to look organized. And we have a bunch of functions that will pretty much allow the user to delete the URL and to delete the path whenever they feel like it. And we have a bunch of buttons that will allow them to do so. And we have a bunch of labels. Did I say labels? I meant to say labels to pretty much update the user of what's going on. And this is pretty much the entry that will allow the user to input data. So if you guys are saying, okay Mo, what the heck are we missing? So the only thing that we're pretty much missing is, let me show you real quick. If I run this, is pretty much the quality radio button right here and another quality radio button right here. What a radio button is pretty much is saying, hey, you can only click one button at a time. So it's either you have it as a good quality or as a bad quality. Meaning like you can have a good quality video or a bad quality video. What kind of quality do you want? So let's just go ahead and implement that real quick. So to do so, all you gotta do is let's just take that, because I mean I like to have my code organized, and let's just go ahead and type in radio, if I can type in English, radio button. Alright, where did I misspell it? PyCharm, help me. Thank you. Alright. And to do that, it's actually pretty simple. Let's just go ahead and type in button 1 underscore data, and let's just go ahead and type in radio button. And let's just go ahead and type in left, because I mean, guys, remember, it's going to be on the left. We want the first button to be right here and the second button to be right here. And let's just go ahead and make the text as good good quality, and let's see, we'll make the font the same, and let's also create a variable for it, because I mean we want to use that variable to pretty much determine what kind of quality does the user want. And let's just go ahead and name it variable. Let's go ahead and type in quality, and we're going to set the value to 0, and we're going to set the background color to color. Alright, and let's just go ahead and take that variable right here and type in grid, and this should be on the row of 0 and column of 1 of 1, and we want to go ahead and stick it on the west side. Let's go. All right, did you like my rap? Let's just go ahead and rerun that again, and as you guys can see, it is appearing right here on the west side. Let's go. Alright, so let's just go ahead and do the same thing, but for the bad quality. So, I mean, we can just take all that and pretty much copy right here. And this is going to be button 2. And then we're going to copy that, paste it right here. I'm going to say poor quality. And let's see, do I want to make any changes? Yes. So this is going to be 1. The variable is going to be the value is going to be 1, and let's see, do we want to make any changes here? No, we just want to delete this, so we can just pretty much stick right next to it. And let's just go ahead and rerun that, and let's see, we have good quality, poor quality, good quality, poor quality. And I see it's a little bit overlapping right here, but that's not a major concern. But for now, I think this is good to go. Let's see. Do I need to explain anything right here? This is pretty clear. This is pretty clear. Variable. Okay. So pretty much once you click this or you click this variable is going to be set to a specific value. It's either is going to be 0 or 1. And once it's pretty much, if it's a good quality, it's going to be set to 0. And if it's a bad or poor quality, it's going to be set to 1. And we're going to use this data to determine what kind of video do we want to download. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, it's actually pretty simple. So let me think. Do I need to add anything else? I think I'm good to go. All right. So now let's just go ahead and add the button that will allow us to download the video. All right. So let's just get ready and let's just go ahead and do that.